Hi, welcome to our channel. This is mainly focused about that how we can optimize SEO on page, major key points. If you are updating any particular website, major key points are here in the topics. First one, URL structure, meta title tag, description, keyword, alt tag, header tag, anchor text, canonical URL. This will be represented by the total 8 options. How we can optimize your particular website. Right now, I'm taking for dynamic web pages that I'm selecting for tolisinnews.com. Here, first of all, latest video songs. There is a number of options are here. 2 weeks ago, everything. If your latest purpose, filter, click for today. So if you want to upload the new information videos here, select it. Copy everything will be notepad. By over there movie. First go to here, select post option. Clearly mention what is mean by song. We can't change the song name. That is compulsory important. Search the same name into in Google. In its song name will be different. Song name will be not will be different. We can write like this also. Over there a movie song by so and so name will be mentioned here. After this one, here we can writing SEO title. The mention will be Telugu movie. SEO title will be. Coming to description, Telugu movie comma. What are the heroes? Everything will be here. We can comma, paste it. So who I will be celebrities, everything is there. Copy that one. Very description. After that, latest updates. Same copy. Click here. After this, go to information. Song, all information is there. Copy, paste on notepad, copy it. So why am I selecting for notepad is called compulsory important. Reason, what are the information you save? Don't copy that one website to other website. Everything is finished. So here is the what is that URL structure. What we can writing, this will be URL structure will be here. First of all, how many character we can write this information? This will be 47 character. Depend on by the option. So the movie is the compulsory important is in your particular URL structure. Compulsory movie name is mandatory fill here. Video song is mandatory. No need by video. Not required by video also. Sung by Odidevada movie. How many characters will be getting? It will be 41 characters. Control A and this one. Short and sweet is very much of important, particularly URL structure. Don't exceed by the more than 40 character. Now is the one character will exceed, we can't remove that particular URL structure. Short and sweet, what will happen? When we will open this one, they can easily understand by the your information. Na Parchayam movie is there, I'm going to give the name. So you can writing will be by option is there. We can use by after the name or without name. Both we can very flexible. Category is belongs to for movie news. Compulsory category mention. Next, this will be post information. Compared to the video and post information very fast indexing by users. So that is called we can using for post information. After that, image. So image purpose, how we can use. When searching will be here, go to images and your YouTube thumbnail image and your image both are will be same required, not like that. First of all, this is this image. Look into this. Click. Any other song there, we can check it out here. So this is a better. Right click, save change, changing time. Compulsory copy this title, paste it. What are the title you mentioned? Same name will be, you can mention by the image name. The reason when uploading image time, the easily we can capture the image name also will be here, where you can download here in this. Here is the option where our name will be saved here. My title name, my image name, both are same. That is mean by image specific alt tag. Any people will be search, your website will be showing for this kind of platforms. So can you design by your own design? You can design by own also will be there by using Canva option. We have options are here by using Canva, by using image will be. So that will be done. When you mention your title, this will be automatically taken by the H1 tag. Suppose this link will be not taking H1 tag. What will happen? Coming to here, copy this text. Here is there. H1 tag, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. H1 tag mainly focus about that particular header tag. What are the writing for title description keyword based on your work? Header tag will be SEO very important key targeting by the header tag like H1 tag. This increase the important targeting keyword help SEO get top rank in your search engine results pages. If you want to target our particular keyword, the name is called H1 tag is the main key point to the show your website will be top position purpose. And very important one is called anchor text. Sir, what is mean by anchor text? Simple logic in this information. I can give the video button suppose. What are we writing? Latest videos. Click here. What is it? Copy. Which tag I'm using here? H1 tag. In H1 tag, what is that we can using for? Hyperlink. Hyperlink nothing but I can give them my video link. Target will be pop-up window, new window. What is our target will be? New window. Target option. So after this one, video added here. Copy the video, paste it. After 11 character, what are the extra character will be remove it. This is an important one. Suppose same like that you will be post, what will happen? I tell you this one. Movie news. Image publish. Go to the video can't play. Reason, you will be enter the wrong URL option. What will happen? After 11 characters, what are the there? Remove it. Refresh. Video. Here. Latest video, click here. They go to which bar? Video bar. Who will be give this one? The link name given by the anchor text. The web link, one specific name will given by the here. What is the name? Latest videos. Click here. When you click this one, they go to another tab is called videos. Any videos are required, they can click by the video option. Final one is called canonical URL. Canonical URL mainly any website content is our own. The represent by the control U, control F, canonical is the one important. Second thing is called the same content in my website only one and only URL. My website about this song, we have only one URL, not for the more URLs. we have only one URL represented by the canonical URL, and the content owner belongs to for the particular talisindividual.com website. So that is called what are the you mentioned by SEO title, URL structure, description, keyword, alt tag, header tag, and anchor text canonical URL. This will be very much of important. Canonical, what will happen in your web page? We can represent by another web page purpose using for canonical URL. And when uploading video time, your thumbnail and your cover image complete different, no problems. So this is the way we can represent by the total option. Anything you're writing will be title. This is structure will be follow. This overall will be we can utilize by the based on the keyword. We can writing will be title, description, keyword. Title will be 60 to 70 characters. Description will writing by 320, but display will be 160 characters. Keyword will be writing for 200 characters or 25 words. Based on that, they optimize your website will be Google position. Click for Control U, check for option title, description, keywords. Next, Control F, Alt is equal to your image name. This will be image option. Next, H1 tag. What H1 tag will be? Two H1 tags are there. We can use. Here is that. Here is that. Latest video, click here. Why? We have mentioned H1 tag here. Simple, and click here. I have to change by here. Heading 2. This size will be there. Now you can refresh. It will be small. Previous, how many H1 tags are there? 6. Refresh. Control F. H1. Now how many? Only 4. Here is this. We are using for H1 tag here. Below something is copied here. That is they represented by in this option. Now update. Now refresh. Control F. H1. Only 2. This is called here. Previous I'm using 6. Now will be 4 after 2. Only one H1 tag I'm using for particular website. So this is the way we can writing for SEO on page. Total this 8 platforms. Any queries are there, please contact my channel. I definitely will be supportive. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.